haven't checked out my last video, make sure you do so. This was while I was in Barbados. Thank you so much for clicking. Now let's go ahead and get into today's video. Hello there. Good morning. Good morning, Answer. Trevin, you gonna say good morning? You gonna say good morning to Granny? Hi, gonna say good morning to Granny. Hi, good morning, big boy. Good morning. Today is Easter, but you don't know nothing about that. No. Mm-mm. Good morning. You want to say something or no? You thinking about it? Okay, but before we get started in today's video, you know I had to go get the baby Easter basket. I utterly love you all. This book was so cute. So he's just, 6 weeks old. Really, they just need clothes. So lots of onesies, bunch of different, just little t-shirt colors. Some where he can show his little muscles. Some his arms will be covered. But this doll reminds me so much of him. He's brown skin, just so cute. And listen to what it says. So I just love this. Strong, wonderful you. A strong little boy is a mighty joy. He is kind, smart, and brave. He can be anything he wants to be. He is loved for exactly who he is. He makes this world a better place just by being in it. A strong little boy is you. Love, Granny. And I picked up a bunny book because it's his first Easter. And he just looks so adorable thanks to Targets. And then this is just me putting this little Easter basket together. I picked up these bags from the Dollar Tree. Well, it's not the Dollar Tree anymore. Everything's $1.25. Picked up just some little ribbon from there as well. The basket I grabbed from a Goodwill, which was new, cleaned it off. And yeah, we had a perfect Easter basket. And I didn't have to go spend a bunch of money. And the Easter baskets they have nowadays, they don't have anything in them. I mean, when I was a kid, they had the cutest Easter baskets. Now, these Easter baskets, you definitely have to make it at home. And then we're just gonna cut it off and then I'll show you guys. Hang tight. So you all, today, welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true, is what I want to say. My name is Opal May and this is what we're doing today. So today is just a quick vlog. It's Easter, happy Easter, happy Easter, however you want to say it. If you celebrate Easter, happy Easter. If you don't, happy Sunday. Yeah, so this is my grandson's first Easter. It feels good to be able to, it's crazy, like, I'm a grandma. Like, I am a grandma, and it's such a trip. It's such a trip. Granny hood, it's a good hood to be in. I feel so blessed. I'm so thankful to, be able to experience grandma life. There's so many people that didn't get to, and there's some people that, are able to become great grandmothers. You know what I mean? I hope and pray that I get that honor, I guess I should say, but nonetheless, I'm still thankful. Anyway, you all, so we cooking us some salmon today. We got some scalloped potatoes from Costco. Let me show you. So I got these scalloped potatoes. They say ready in 9 minutes. Just throw them in the oven. So yeah, I'll let y'all know how it turns out. I'll do a plate after, but I'm pretty excited because I was gonna do some mashed potatoes and gravy. Matter of fact, I'm still making some gravy. I was in Costco and I said, why not? Because I had to get salmon. So I done cut it all up and season it, just let it marinate. So that's gonna be good. And I picked up some croissants because Costco has the best croissants. Who done try, hold on. Croissants, oh my goodness, they're so good. Have y'all tried Costco croissants? Watch out. Don't try them. That's all I'm gonna tell you, because man, they are dangerous. Oh, let me get his basket. This is his basket, and he got 2 books. I'll show y'all. And then a little doll that looks just like him. It's a boy doll. Don't get alarmed. And just, a lot of onesies that he needs. But it's his first Easter basket, probably his last. I just wanted him to have his first time Easter basket. And then I gotta show y'all his little outfit. I am really, really, really excited about being a granny. And I just love him. Yeah, Granny love him. I mean, Granny just love this little baby. Y'all, he's such a little chunk butt. He got rolls. He's a month old. No, he's 6 weeks. That's a month. He's 6 weeks. And he's definitely gaining his little weight. He got a little belly on him. I mean, a little belly. But it's so cute. That's Granny, baby, huh? That's Granny's little baby. That's my little TJ, my little Trevi. But anyway, y'all, so I'm going to prepare some food. And I can't wait to show y'all his little outfit, his first little Easter outfit. It's probably his last, but he at least got to have his first Easter basket and his first Easter outfit. Y'all, it's so cute. But anyway, let's go ahead and finish picking up. And then I'm going to put this food on. And we're probably just going to go take some little pictures outside because it's really nice here in California. And I got on the same colors because Granny is matching her little grandbaby today, honey. Anyway, I think it's just like a little baby update. I'm in love. When I say I am in love all over again, I am in love all over again. Can't nobody tell me nothing about this little baby. Nobody. Don't even try it because I'm not having it. I just love him. Look at them little rolls. Yo, he got some rolls on him. But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the food for us. And that's pretty much gonna be it on this beautiful Cali Easter Sunday. I probably won't be back, but I'll at least show y'all the food. Oh, and I'm making something new. I'm doing a graham cracker crust. I picked this up at Target. A graham cracker crust with chocolate pudding that I made, and then I got some Cool Whip or whipped cream, and then I'm gonna put some chocolate chips on top. Never tried it. It's just something that I want to try because I like to switch it up. But salmon usually is kind of a staple here. Let's just say when it's holidays, because the kids don't eat meat. They'll eat some salmon though, and yeah. So I can't go wrong. Anyway, you all, I'll show y'all our food later. And I'll talk to you guys later. It's been real, it's been fun, but your girl is done. Bye, guys. Okay, so this is what I made. So I took some butter, unsalted, and put it in the bottom of a pan. Put a little seasoning on the bottom, and of course, I had to cut those onions up. I normally saute them. This time I didn't. I won't make that mistake again because the salmon in the oven for only about 3 to 4 minutes, let's just say 6, the onions won't cook, okay? So then I sprinkled some black pepper because you got to have a little pep in your step, okay? So yeah, it looks really, really, really good, guys. Okay, so remember me talking about those Costco potatoes? Oh my goodness, they were so good. You just put them in the oven, microwave or oven. Of course, I prefer the oven. And then this is what the, of course, salmon looks like with, I put a little extra butter on top of the salmon as well and some more seasoning. Okay, this is the scalloped potatoes. So we threw them in an oven on 350 per the instructions for 30 minutes. OMG, they turned out wonderful. And then I did some gravy. Didn't use flour, but I did use cornstarch. Turned out just as good. I had to have just a little bit of gravy, thinking that them scalloped potatoes wasn't going to be right, but baby, it was right. So then remember that dessert I talked about that I wanted to make, because I just like to do new things, okay? Don't judge me for that. I think it's great. So I put some Cool Whip on the bottom of the graham cracker crust. And then we took some, of course, some Jell-O pudding that I made, the instant. You just get it from the store. 3 cups of milk. Don't use any type of imitation milk or soy milk or anything like that. You need real milk, guys, okay, or it won't turn out, all right? So then I just sprinkled some more of the pudding, chocolate Jell-O pudding on top, and I just mixed it up really nice. And then I ended up adding some more Cool Whip. It was nice. I liked it. The kids, my son did not try it at all, but my daughter tried it. She's like, it's pretty much just chocolate pudding with graham crackers on top. That's pretty much it. So, like I said, it was something new. I probably would make it again, but just to be different, absolutely. And then I took some chocolate chips and sprinkled them on there. I wouldn't do the chocolate chips either because they're too hard when you sprinkle them on top, you know? Yeah, but it looked nice, right? Okay, so then we had that Costco Caesar salad kit. Yeah, and then our scalloped potatoes are done. So I sprinkled just a little green on top just to make it look real nice. And then I came up with a drink of the month, you all. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. I will insert a picture. You can use sparkling lemonade. This is the Bundaberg that you can pick up from, you know, a wine and spirit store or sometimes a grocery store, just depends. Okay, so I take fresh kiwi and then fresh lime and I break it all up. And this time I let it sit overnight, okay? Make sure your cup is iced, okay? And then you're gonna take your kiwi syrup and you're just gonna pour. Don't pour too much, girl, because it's gonna be just a little too sweet. But you know what? It depends on how sweet you like it, okay? Looks like a lot in this cup, but I promise you it's not because of the ice. I had this one bottle was for 2 persons, all right? And then, you know, you got to garnish it because, you know, you always got to do like presentation and just make it look nice. So we got our kiwi and then we got our lime. And then once again, like I said, if you haven't checked that video out on how to make this drink, I do have a video out there. So go check that out, okay? And then the food was done, y'all. We got them croissants because them Costco croissants, they something to write home about. Okay, we got our salad, we got our scalloped potatoes, and then this was a plate. I could have presented this well. This was my daughter's plate. But anyway, I got a phone call and I had to leave the house real quick, so I just put a little bit on the plate and I had to get just a little bit. Anyway, happy belated Easter, and I hope you enjoyed your beautiful, beautiful Sunday. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks, guys. Bye.